Hello, how we going? I finally put some fascia on. I went with black. I did white before, but I think black's a lot better. It's nice and shiny. And I've learned that you put fascia on and then you bring the scenery to the fascia. I'll try and squeeze around here. So I've done all this through here. I need to get some black curtain to hide all my stuff. And I need to vacuum. There's crap everywhere. I've also done some balancing. Put some, yeah, alright, it looks alright. The other main thing I've done is this back track over the back here. I've lifted it, so where the double stacks parked, I've lifted that up about 3 centimetres, so a bit over an inch. It just gives it a bit of separation. Sort of hard to see, but yeah, it looks a lot better. I reckon it does anyways. I've also extended this yard just that little bit. It actually gives me more room to park. The coal train actually fits, and I can have two 10-car passenger trains. So I've got the B&O and the VIA all parked on the same track, and then in the middle of the two I've got a insulated rail joiners. That worked out pretty good. Also scored some second-hand points because they're getting really expensive. I just put a little head shunt in. There's a bit of storage. With some greenery in just around this corner. Yeah, and you would have spotted that. I've got it patched. I reckon they look really good anyways. And back over here, we've done some stuff. I've got a 3-track, just a little storage area as well, so I can do some shunting and stuff. I've got a little loco sitting there. I was going to put the turntable in there, but I don't know if it's going to fit. It should. But yeah. I've also put the Kato crossing in here. So I might get rid of that tunnel. I really need another on the other side, but yeah, I'm not too sure what I'm going to do yet. Might just have a car park there. Yeah, it'll be something anyways. The only drama is, it comes right up to the edge of the city now. These signals, they need to be moved. We are getting there. Town's getting there. It's come along really, really well. We've got a Danny's now, Mama Mia's, and got a flat hotel. So it's starting to get there. I brought these trucks as well. They're actually Engage. They're European, but that's a Scania. But they're really, really detailed, really nicely. And that's the Volvo. I think it's an F16, which is pretty cool. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. I've got to finish doing all this and get it running again. Change some wiring and bits and pieces. But we are getting there with stuff. But the place needs a good clean, as you can see. Been working away on all the crap. Well, we'll slowly get there. And with the ballast, I've learned to spray it with that stuff while it's dry, and when you put the liquefied glue, I suppose you call it, it doesn't move, and it's a hell of a lot easier. And there we go, that's really about all I've been up to. Got heaps of trees, even though you can't even buy them at the moment. There's just none around. They are, they're really expensive because everybody knows that. Yeah. All right, you have a good day. I'll talk to you again.